With our device under test in place, it's time to start testing. Expand the test case group, and then select Nonlinear Load, Radio Frequency Power, and you can select the whole group to run the whole group of test cases. Then press Start. You will receive a pop-up that tells you what mode the PCD needs to be in for the test. Once you reach this screen, we'll need to pick up the antenna, so you can click on Grab Antenna on Holder, and the robot will go to pick up the reference PICC Class 1. Just like in the setups, the robot will automatically move to the PICC test holder, pick up the reference PICC from the predetermined location on the test holder, turn the reference PICC 90 degrees, and then place it directly over the PCD under test in order to start the tests. Once the robot has stopped moving, you can return to MP Manager for the next set of instructions. Click on Validate to move forward in the instructions. The test suite will tell you to put your device under test in place if you haven't already. While you hit Validate, the robot will move downward to make contact with your device under test. This is to find the 0 position. The robot will move downward slowly until it senses the presence of your PCD under test. At that point, the sensors will automatically stop the robot, and it will use this position as its 0 point. Once the robot has stopped moving, you can refer to the instructions on the screen to make the necessary connections for the test case. This is done in the same way as we did during the setup section. Carefully follow all of the instructions to make sure all of your connections are correct. Be sure to double check them, as one bad connection can lead to a failed test. Once you have finished making all the connections, you will be given instructions regarding the jumper. It is important to verify the jumper is in the correct position for this set of test cases, as there are 3 positions, and each set of test cases requires a particular position. Once you have validated, the test cases will automatically start, and they will run through all of the test cases for this particular jumper position. The robot will continuously move throughout the operating volume in order to reach the position defined for each test in the test suite. As the robot moves, you will see the test being run in the software window, and you will see the results from each test case. This will continue until the group of tests that you have selected has finished running. As usual, you will see a green check mark next to every test that has successfully passed. If all of the tests you ran in this section have received a green check mark, your device has passed this section and you can move forward.